going on, guys? All right, so today I didn't want to make this so much how to install video, but then again it's probably going to turn into one because I haven't seen too many online that are decent besides the one that the company makes. So today we've got Diode Dynamics interior lights. They're stage 2. Besides Diode Dynamics, I haven't seen anybody else produce a decent detailed video on how to really install these. So I decided today, you know what, why not? We're installing them, so let's make a video. Diode Dynamics pretty much just lets us know that all we really need are really small flatheads. I've actually got two different size small ones just to see which smaller one I need and how small we actually need to go. I've also seen and read that some of the lights are hard to get out, and some people try to pry them out with the small flatheads, which in my opinion I don't think is probably the best idea to do, because that's how you blow a fuse. And I'll show you which one is actually really touchy, and if you blow it, you're gonna blow all your interior lights. So stick around and I'll let you know. Also, I recommend getting a pair of needle nose pliers. It helps by pulling out the lights instead of sitting there trying to pry them out or using your fingers. And just to let y'all know, this install does work for the 2015, 2016, 2017, and I'm not too sure about 2018 Ford Mustangs. For the interior lights, it's all the same stuff. Diode Dynamics said that this install only takes anywhere between 20 and 25 minutes. I want to see how long it actually takes me by getting everything off, especially being somebody that doesn't actually install these things for a living. And this is my first time ever doing it. This is my first time ever messing with my Mustang, besides washing it. I do recommend that if you do have plastic tools or a trim kit, that you use that instead, because I have a feeling that these metal flatheads that I'm about to be using are gonna possibly make indentations into the plastic pieces that we're trying to pull off. Obviously, if you're just like me, we're paying for our cars, so we're trying to take care of it as much as absolutely possible. So if you have a trim kit, most definitely use it. Alright guys, so these lights, the bigger ones that are for the map lights, the glove box, and then the trunk, they're all the same lights. So if you get them mixed up, it doesn't really matter. The vanity lights, all the same lights, so you can't really get them all mixed up. Alright, so open your box, or open the packaging. Try and do this without popping all the lights everywhere. Alright, stick them over here. Alright, so this is when things start getting a little you think complicated. I usually go for down the middle corner piece, wedge it in there a little bit, come up, and then just try to pop it out, pull back, easy enough, and then just pull it back, and then just pull back. It comes off really easy. Hold on to it, because if you don't, it will just pop forward and fly and fling somewhere, from the videos I've seen at least. So now this is when you try to grab your pliers, grab your vanity light, pull it out, 1, 2, 3. It's not a hard install, it's really not. So now when you put these lights back in, there's gonna be 2 different ways. So if you plug it in one way and it doesn't come on, take it back out and flip it the other way and try it that way. I'm not entirely sure what way is the correct way. Okay, so my camera wasn't recording when I installed this one and put the cover back on. So I'm just gonna show you guys that again. I took the cover off, same application, same stuff. All you do is put the light in, bang, done. Voila! We have new white LED vanity lights. Bang. One thing I did want to mention though, before you do your map lights, when I was doing my map lights, the only way to really get them off, besides taking these lenses out, which are a real pain in the ass, you have to really just yank down on it and pull it out. That's the only way to do it. So when you pull it out, it's gonna make it a little flimsy, a little bit looser than the stock version. So when you actually pull it out, be aware that when you do put it back in, it's gonna be a little loose. Now a method you can fix that is put a piece of cloth or a piece of cardboard behind it and tighten it up again to make it not as flimsy. That's what I'm gonna do. So I just want to make that aware before you guys do end up pulling this thing off and making it really loose. Alright guys, so now we're gonna go ahead and install these map lights. They're pretty big. Should be a pretty easy install. So all you have to do is you kind of sort of have to manhandle it. 1, 2, bang bang, done, just like that. Alright, so okay, anyways, so you pretty much just give this a tug. Okay, I see. Bang, done. See? So I'm gonna take my pliers because I know that bowl is probably fucking super hot. But I'm gonna go ahead and take my, just pull it out, bang, done, put it down, grab your new one. Get it in there, get this back in there, and looky there, we have a brand new LED white light. Okay, so the other side, you're gonna go ahead and just give it a nice little pull, bang, done, out. Once again, that bolt's probably really warm. These things get warm quick. Grab it, pull it, and done. Oh, see, it's hot. Okay. Shouldn't have touched it. All right, bang, done. All right, flip it. If it doesn't go in one way, it's gonna go in the other. It's gonna go in regardless. God. Bang, done, and stick her back in. Put it back in, bang, done. 2 white LEDs. Stick it back up there, bang, done, bang, bang. And you're done. Alright guys, so now we're gonna go ahead and do the glove box. The glove box is super easy. All you have to do is get it out and put it back in. It's super easy. You don't gotta, dismantle anything. Now the only thing with this one is that this fuse right here that holds this light. Blow all your fuses on the interior. You know, your LED lights, your vanity lights, your trunk lights. This one controls everything. So if you blow this fuse, you have to, replace the whole entire fuse. So this is something you don't really want to, mess with. So, hey guys, so I finally got the glove box light out. This thing was a whole lot harder to get out than I anticipated. So you're just really gonna have to play with it. The best way I found out to get it at the very end when I did pop it out, try to get your needle nose pliers at the very edge of it and just kind of sort of just pop it out. Just get the best grip you can. I know I hate that I didn't get it on video, but it was a little difficult to get out. So take your time with it. Be patient. Don't break the light bulb or anything. So I'm gonna go ahead and plug it in. Let's see how easy it is to get in. Well then, we're gonna have to go ahead and use our light on our phone to see which exact way it goes in. Oh yeah. Okay. Let's see it. Alright, so it looks like it goes in. Yeah, look, you guys. Yeah. Looks like it goes in sideways, so we're gonna go ahead and give that a try. Now, obviously. There we go. Bang, done. Alright, so yeah guys, getting it in was a whole lot easier than getting it out. But I promise you, once you have that thing out, easy peasy. Alright guys, so the back trunk, you're gonna need a bigger flathead. I guess you kind of sort of just push it in and it just falls right out. So you're just gonna press on these two right over here. Nothing's too crazy. Then right after that, alright, so you're gonna want to go ahead and just disconnect the entire thing. Make sure that does not go back up there, because I'm telling you, you're gonna have one heck of a time, trying to find it again. There you go, bang, done, it's out. Stick your old one, your new one in, your new LED in. Oh, come on then. If it doesn't go on one way, it's gonna go in the other. Bang, done, it's in. Hook her back up. And looky there. That one was the easiest out of 3 or 4, how many ever it was. And there you go, she's back in there. We'll make sure it's all tight. Bang, done. And you've got your new LED. Alright guys, so all the interior lights are done. Diode Dynamics, made a fair estimate, it should only take 20-25 minutes. In my case, it took me about 25-30 minutes, but that was with me not knowing what the hell I was doing besides, watching a few videos on how to get everything loosened and off. Alright guys, so this is going to go ahead and wrap up today's video. Go ahead and give me a big thumbs up if this helped you at all, and and if you enjoyed the content. Subscribe for more content like this. I do plan on putting an exhaust on it, doing some suspension work, and doing other things like that. I don't have a list yet, I still am working on a budget, but go ahead and also put in the comments what I did good, what I did bad, go ahead and tell me what I can improve on and what you guys would like to see in the future.